Okay, welcome back to my channel. So this is another video on how to calculate for the dimension of any physical quantity. So in this video, we are asked to calculate for the dimension of force. So solution. So the first thing to know is the formula of force, right? So what is the formula of force? Force is mass times acceleration. Mass times acceleration. So this is the formula of force, mass times acceleration. Anytime you are asked to calculate for the dimension of any physical quantity, once you are given that physical quantity, so the first thing you need to know is the formula of that quantity. Are you getting it? So the formula of force is what? Mass times acceleration. So let's continue. So the symbol of mass is what? Is m. And the next thing, we can still split acceleration, meaning the formula of acceleration is what? Velocity over time. Velocity all over time. This is the formula of what? Acceleration. Let's continue. Go to, don't be confused. This is the symbol of mass, which is m, right? So we can still split velocity. What is the formula of velocity? Which is what? Displacement all over time. Displacement all over time. This is the formula of velocity all over this time here. So the next step is to multiply these two times together. Are you getting it? Let me write it this way so you won't be confused. So we have displacement all over time, right? We can still write it this way, displacement all over time divided by time all over 1 equal to displacement all over time multiply. This one will come to the upside, it will change to multiplication from division. So time here. Right? So let's multiply everything. Displacement times 1 will give us displacement all over time multiply by time will give us time square. Are you getting it now? Displacement all over time square. So take note, we have m here, which is the mass, the symbol of mass. So m multiplied by displacement all over time square. So the next step, so in my previous videos I said we have only 3 approved physical quantities used in writing down the dimension of any physical quantity. So those approved 3 quantities are length, mass, and time. Length, mass, and time. L is the symbol of length, the symbol of mass is what? M, and the symbol of time is what? T. So these are the 3 approved physical quantities we are going to be using in writing down the dimension of any quantity in physics. Are you getting it? So we have to change everything here in order to correspond with these 3 physical quantities. So in the place of displacement, we can represent it as what? Length. And we all know the symbol of time is what? Is T. And the symbol of mass is what? Is M. Are you getting it? So let's change displacement to length. So we have L all over. The time is a T square. So we have M. Don't be confused. So we have M times L all over T square equal to ML all over T square. Are you getting it now? So let's write down the dimension of force since we are done with the calculation. So we have, these are the 3 approved symbols, L, M, and T, right? I've said it before. L is a symbol of length, M is a symbol of mass, while T is a symbol of what? Time. So let's write down the dimension of force. So this is a formula we calculated, right? So M and L are the numerators here, right? While time or T square is the denominator, right? So since M is present here, we will represent it with 1. Are you getting it? Because M and L are the two numerators here, so we represent M with 1. Also, L is present, we represent it with 1. So take note, any quantity that is present, you represent that quantity with what? 1. As far as that quantity is the numerator, okay? So L1, M1, and T is also present, which is the symbol of time, right? But T is a denominator, so we represent it with raised to minus 2. So we have L1, M1, and T raised to minus 2. So this is the dimension of force. So the last thing to do is to write down the unit of force. This is what you do. Anytime you want to write down the unit of any quantity in dimension, you use the last equation. Are you getting it? Since this one is the one we calculated for, we can from here write down the unit of force. This is mass, right? So the unit of mass is what? Is kilogram. This length. The unit of length is what? Meter. So per. While the unit of time is what? Second. So we have square, write it down. Or kilogram, meter, second, raised to minus 2. So these are the two units. You can either write it this way or this way. It's correct, okay? So this is how to calculate for the dimension of any physical quantity. In case you don't understand, you can rewatch the video and also watch my previous videos for more understanding. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment, and share. If you are watching me for the first time, follow for more videos. Bye.